Hi, it's Lily. Let me share the latest SecureTransport features and improvements with you. This month, we've updated several third-party components that were reported in the National Vulnerability Database, including Apache Tomcat, PostgreSQL, Netty, and XML Unit Core. Refer to our third-party software and licenses document for the complete list. With this update, we're introducing a new setting called SSL mode. It lets administrators control the level of certificate verification for TLS and SSL connections to an external PostgreSQL database. By default, it's set to verify full, which validates that the database server certificate is chained to a trusted root certificate authority, and that the specified hostname is stored in the server certificate. In Verify CA mode, the hostname check is skipped. The SSL mode can be selected during installation and later from the database settings page. It can also be selected during migration to an external PostgreSQL database, as shown on the screen here. The rename and move operations within a subscription folder can now be used as a trigger for advanced routing and basic applications. Both types of applications can be configured to wait for a file rename before starting processing. In advanced routing, rename is a default trigger alongside upload and move. You can explore different example conditions from the tooltip. We've also introduced new settings for choosing which files should be processed. For basic applications, the rename trigger can be set using conditional execution settings, with examples available again in the field tooltip. Using rename-based triggers, along with the recently introduced rename locked files configuration option, prevents the processing of incomplete or missed files. This ensures that the rename command has enough time to complete, and file processing begins only after a successful rename. The ST Web Client login page for end users is now compatible with popular password managers. Compatibility has been verified with Google Password Manager, Dashlane, and LastPass on Google Chrome, Firefox, and Edge browsers. Google Password Manager requires that the URL certificate is trusted in order to prompt users to save passwords. Thanks for watching! Apply this update using the links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time!